Hi, my name is Andres. I am a senior software engineer for Valve, and I give Visual Studio Code a 5 out of 5. We normally use Visual Studio Code for front-end development, although some people at our company use it for back-end as well. But we just find that it streamlines our front-end development a lot, and it's very useful due to an abundance of extensions that make development easier. What I like best about Visual Studio Code is its extensibility. The abundance of extensions make it easier to find what you need to make your current workload easier to follow. I am also a great fan of its refactoring tools and its ability to find the code that you are looking for at a given time. Perhaps what I like least, there are sometimes bugs or little glitches and crashes, which happen sporadically, but nothing that has ever impacted me in any reasonable amount.